Today, our topic is about small steps lead to a big success. Small steps lead to a big success. How? How small steps lead us to a big success? First of all, what is success? It is a natural part of our life, or we can earn success, because today every person likes success and every person want to become a successful person of the society, of our family, of our country. But how? Within a night? No. For achieving success, we should have to work day by day, week by week, month by month, or maybe year by year. You have to take a long time for achieving success. So, small steps are very important for our life, for our success. How? Consistency is the biggest tool, biggest thing in our life that lead us towards success, because consistency was the part of our holy prophet, peace be upon him. It is the quality of our holy prophet. We are Muslim, and consistency was the habit of our holy prophet, peace be upon him. So, as a Muslim, we should follow the noble example of our holy prophet, peace be upon him. Now, we take some example of our daily life. For example, a student, how he will become a successful student in his life? If he work day by day, if he will work daily, if he give some time to his books daily, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, if he become a successful person, he not only work one day only or 2 day only for his achievement, he should have to work day by day, minute by minute. Another example, if a person who wants to learn English and he give 2 hours and he will not take interest in 1 week, he give only 2 hours in a 1 week, and for other 6 days he will never take part in learning English. He will never become a successful. Why? Because consistency is the not part of his life. Instead of give 2 hours in a week, he should have to work only 10 minutes, but daily. Why? Because small steps give us achievement, give us success. We will see the ocean, how it will become a big ocean. Small drops of water make a mighty seas. Similarly, small grains become a desert. Small grains of sand become a big desert. So we should work small work, but we should work daily. Another example of a businessman. If a businessman work only 1 day, 2 day, or maybe only a 1 week or 2 week, and after that he give up and take rest, he will not become a successful businessman. Why? Because consistency is not appearing. He is not a consistent businessman. Similarly, if we collect 10 rupees, 20 rupees daily, after 1 month, after 1 year, we have to collect a lot of money. It is the example of a good businessman, of a good achievement. So today our topic was about how small steps become and lead us to success. How it is true we become a successful person after achieving more and more every day. Learn something. If we learn 5 words daily, we can learn 150 words in 1 month. Instead of if we will learn only 50 words in one day and other day we will give up, because small steps give us confidence. Day by day we are going up to up level, and so it is the good for achieving, good for the better future, and good for our success. So it is enough for today. We will meet the next video. Goodbye.